Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2017 510 Sundancer. Phenomenal boat. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's got the hydraulic lift on here. It's great for two things: keeping a wave runner, keeping a dinghy, that type of thing. Also, just for setting it down just under the water, and you can put your chairs out here, swim on and off it. Wonderful feature. Huge three storage all the way across. So the storage in the back is plenty for everything you're going to need. As we hop under the cockpit, you'll see it's all natural teak. You've got a U-shaped seating all the way around, a nice teak table, real teak, and then you've got a fridge and a grill. So you've got a little galley area over here for cooking, refrigerator for drinks, everybody in the back. As we move through into the salon area, you've got an L-shaped seating here, and the table is really nice, and it makes it easy to get in and out, but when everybody's in, you just fold it down. So it gives everybody plenty of room, plenty of places to keep your drinks. This will actually, when you do have people in, will actually spin around, and so they can join the crowd right here. So really nice feature that they've done that. We have a little galley area with a TV, refrigerator there as well. So your second. Here we are at the helm. Let's start with the electronics. You've got two touchscreen Raymarines, which you see the dash is nice and neat, nice and clean. Also, we've got the digital throttle and shift, and then you've got the joystick. Does three things well. I can dock this boat in any condition. I can go sideways, you name it, I can do it. Wind, current, it's a piece of cake. And then it also has an auto heading, which is a very simple autopilot. And it also has the Skyhook, so I can lock this boat in place, get all my lines all out, get everything, fenders, everything all set, and the boat just stays right there. When I'm all done, hit the button, and in I go. It's great, great, great feature. So as we move down into the galley, you're going to see it's all open down here. It's very, very bright down here. It's almost as bright down here as it is outside. So as I move down, nice L-shaped galley, microwave, fridge, freezer, dual burner stove, another L shape here, and this will actually pull out, and you can sleep two adults in here. TV, you've got the day head, which has a separate entrance for the VIP. So shower and everything else in here. And then the VIP, it's got the recliner back, which is a really, really nice, comfortable feature for this boat. These are all your sun pads, everything that go out on the back, on the bow of the boat. And so really nice VIP. And as we move back to the master, it's a complete walk around. So really nice setup here. You can make the bed easily. A lot of times that's a problem. It's a full beam, so you got plenty of room in here. So really nice setup with a master washer combo, washer dryer combo here. And then the head area's got a really nice shower in the head. So outside sink, two people can be getting ready at the same time. So this boat is set up very, very well. It's going to go anywhere you want it to go, down to the Bahamas, no problem at all. If you'd like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.